The Cribl Search AWS WAF Pack aims to make analyzing and extracting insights from Amazon Web Services web application firewall logs easier. It offers a ready-made dashboard and search queries specifically designed for AWS WAF data stored in an S3 bucket. This pack works with Cribl Search to allow federated queries and quick access to AWS WAF data without requiring extensive engineering effort to connect or move data elsewhere. It is fully customizable and can be built upon to better suit your needs. Using this pack, users can improve their visibility into AWS environments and gain actionable insights into web traffic blocked or allowed requests and suspicious activities. This pack includes sample data to demonstrate the pre-built visualizations. Following the instructions in the README, the pack can be easily directed at live data in an S3 bucket.